Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your television to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your television is powered on and your Wi-Fi router is active and within range. Grab your TV's remote control, as you'll use it to navigate through the menus. From your TV's main screen, you'll need to find the settings or network options. This process is straightforward and will get your smart TV online in just a few simple steps, allowing you to enjoy all its features. Once you're on your TV's main menu, use your remote to navigate to the settings icon, which often looks like a gear. From there, scroll down and select the network or internet option. This section is where all your connection preferences are managed. You'll then choose wireless or Wi-Fi as your desired connection method, preparing to scan for available networks. Your television will now scan and display a list of all available Wi-Fi networks in the vicinity. Locate and select your home network's name, also known as its SSID. After selecting your network, an on-screen keyboard will appear. Use your remote to carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Double-check for any typos, as even one incorrect character will prevent a successful connection. After entering your password, confirm the connection by selecting Connect or OK. Your television will then attempt to establish a link with your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message. To verify, try opening a streaming application like YouTube or Netflix. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your Wi-Fi router and television can often resolve common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.